This is the June 2014 M1 question, WJEC on lifts, Newton laws of motion. Okay, so there's a crate of mass 25 kilogram rests on the floor of a lift which is descending. Find the reaction of the floor of the lift on the crate when the acceleration is 1.2, and then part B we'll come back to in a second. So as with all lift questions, start by drawing a quick little sketch of the lift. So we've got a lift with a crate in it. Because we're focusing on finding the reaction, you focus on the crate of the lift. Okay, so this is creating a reaction up, and there's going to be a force pulling it down, which is going to be the weight of the crate. So the crate is 25 G. We don't need to worry about the weight of the lift because we're focusing on the crate here, okay? So if we have a little look at this then, it's going descending, so it's going down, and the acceleration is 1.2. Okay, so we're going to look at F equals ma for all these questions. Resultant force equals mass times acceleration. So the resultant force, the force is pulling it forward, take away the force is holding it back. So this time we're going down, so we start with the one that's going down, because the lift is moving down. Okay, so this is pulling it down, the reaction is holding it back. The mass is 25 and the acceleration is 1.2. Remember, G is 9.8. So what I would do then is I'd move R this side and move this other part over here, okay? So we'll end up with 25G. This comes to 30, so move this over, and that becomes minus 30, equals R. 25 times 9.8, take away 30, R equals 215 newtons. Part B then says, find the reaction when the velocity is constant. Now if the velocity is constant, that means that its speed, essentially, isn't changing. So there's no acceleration. So for part B, the acceleration is 0 because the velocity is constant. So you can do the same, F equals ma, but this time instead of using 1.2, we're going to use 0. And you'll notice something now. So the force is pulling it forward, take away the force is holding it back, equals the mass times acceleration, which is now 0. This is going to become 0, so move the R over, so R is just 25G, so R is 245 N. Now if you notice, when there's no acceleration, the force is up just equal the force is down. R equals 25G, which is 245 newtons. That's a little trick there for you.